Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the best essential oils for creating a romantic evening. Let's dive in. First up, Yum Yum Essential Oil. Its sweet, floral scent promotes relaxation and enhances mood. Diffuse it or use it in a sensual massage oil. Next is Jasmine Essential Oil. Known for its rich, exotic scent, it's perfect for setting a romantic atmosphere. Use it in a diffuser or as a natural perfume. Rose Essential Oil is a classic for romance. Its soothing properties create a calming environment. Add it to a warm bath for a relaxing soak. Sandalwood Oil's warm, woody scent enhances intimacy and connection. Use it in a diffuser or mix with a carrier oil for a relaxing massage. Patchouli Oil's deep, musky scent is an aphrodisiac. Diffuse it to set a romantic mood or use it as a body oil. These essential oils can transform your evenings into enchanting experiences. Remember to use high-quality oils and enjoy the benefits they bring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips.